In this video, I'm going to share with you why you should start your YouTube channel even nobody's watching. And guess what? I'm doing exactly the same. This is my first video in 2025, and my main goal with this channel is to monetize it and put out as much content as possible and really make it as my full-time social media business. So if it's something you're interested and want to start your journey as well, then I really hope that you hop on this journey with me and we can really explore and learn from each other. And if you feel that you're not really ready, then this is totally fine too. But I want to emphasize that there are like so many YouTubers who are so successful, but one thing they have in common with us, that they all started from 0 followers, right? They started with no views, no audience, nothing, no products to sell to their audience, right? And this is something you always have to think about when you start your own thing, that everyone starts from somewhere, right? And I know it's so hard to think like this because we already see so many people being successful and having this abundance we would desire, right? But this is why I also started this channel, that I really want to show the behind the scenes, how the whole process will be, what are the struggles, what are the ups and downs with the whole process, and I will be as vulnerable as possible, and I really want to give you a lot of insights about the journey I am going on, right? If you feel inspired, then I really hope that this channel is something you want to come back over and over again. And my idea and purpose is to really share not only my own story, but also give some tips and tricks about everything I have learned so far. I have learned so much about marketing, business, social media, everything you need to really make your YouTube channel or any kind of platform you're in your success business. So if you're really interested, especially on YouTube channel, then I have put together you a guide, YouTube Domination, where you get all the insights about how to optimize your YouTube, how to do videography, how to do lighting, how to put everything on place before even uploading your video or showing to the audience, because there are some things you should know. So if you have no clue how to do this process, then I have your back, so you can grab the copy down below. And I really hope to see you on my next video.